Did you know? An interesting fact to kick us off. The world's first 3D animated feature film was Toy Story, released by Pixar in 1995, and since then, the industry has revolutionized. Now, in 2024, we've reached a new milestone with AI, or artificial intelligence, playing a major role in 3D animation. AI has dramatically changed the landscape of 3D animation, making it more accessible and efficient. The time-consuming process of manually creating each individual frame has been replaced by AI algorithms that can generate images and animate characters. Renowned AI expert Dr. Andrew Ng once said, "Artificial intelligence is the new electricity." This statement resonates deeply within the 3D animation industry. AI is not only powering the process, but it's also transforming the way stories come to life. Flipping through the pages of history, traditional 3D animation required an army of animators, months of work, and a hefty budget. But with the advent of AI, the game has changed. Dr. Melanie Mitchell, a pioneer in the field of AI and complex systems, explains, AI in 3D animation involves machine learning algorithms that learn from previous animations. It then applies this knowledge to create new ones. It's fascinating how AI can generate a complete animation from a simple sketch. The use of AI in 3D animation has unlocked a world of opportunities. It has made this art form more accessible to individuals who may not have a background in animation, but possess creative ideas and storytelling abilities. For those who aspire to create their own 3D animation, the integration of AI has made this dream more achievable. With AI software, you can bring your stories to life, and it's easier than ever before. Dr. Alex Champendard, an AI researcher and game developer, shares his excitement. The democratization of 3D animation through AI is remarkable. It's like having your personal animator ready to bring your imagination to the screen. So, why not give it a try? With AI, you can create your own 3D animation. Start with a simple sketch, a story, or even just an idea. The possibilities are endless. Remember, you don't have to be an expert in animation or AI to start creating. The software does most of the heavy lifting. It's about unleashing your creativity, telling your unique story, and watching it come to life on screen. In the words of Walt Disney, if you can dream it, you can do it. So dream big and let AI help you bring those dreams to life in stunning 3D animation. AI in 3D animation is the future. It's transforming the way we tell stories, making it more accessible and exciting. It's time to embrace this wave of change and start creating your own 3D animation with AI. The world of 3D animation awaits you. Go on, make your mark.